Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make this hair butter, which is great for locking in moisture as well as strengthening the hair. So let's go ahead and get started creating. The first ingredient that I will be using today is going to be cucumber seed oil. This is great because it encourages hair growth and also helps to make the hair look very healthy and shiny. To a larger heat-safe container, I am now adding some shea butter. Shea butter is great because it helps to lock in that moisture that dry hair so desperately needs. Next, I will be adding this brown Yucuba butter. This is great not only for locking in moisture, but it does help to improve the shine and elasticity in the hair. To the butters, I'm going to go ahead and add cetearyl alcohol, and this is a great ingredient to be using because it helps with the spreadability of the hair butter, and it also helps to lock in the moisture. Now it's time to gently melt the ingredients in this container. This process takes usually about 20 minutes in total. So now that the ingredients have completely melted, it's time to go ahead and add the cucumber seed oil to them. So now what I've done is I've gone ahead and covered my container. I'm going to go ahead and place this in the freezer. I want all the ingredients to harden completely before I continue on with this formula. At this point, after 40 minutes, this is what your hair butter should look like. It should no longer be liquidy. Okay, to give my hair butter a nice consistency, I've chosen to whip it up here with my mixer just for a couple of minutes. I love using this next ingredient, vitamin E. It is packed full of nutrients and it helps to prolong the shelf life of everything that I'm using today in this formula. For some added benefit, I'm choosing to use some peppermint essential oil. It helps to relieve dry, itchy scalp, but combined with the cucumber oil, it has a lovely scent to it as well. After a couple more minutes using my hand mixer, here is what the hair butter looks like. It has that nice, creamy, whipped texture to it, which I absolutely love. And now I'm just going to go ahead and package it. This is the jar that I use to put my hair butter in. I just found that it made it more practical and convenient to use. To make this hair butter that I created today, here is the formula along with any substitutions. I highly recommend that you do not swap out the cetearyl alcohol because it does alter the finished product. Now to use this butter, what I did and what worked for me is I washed my hair, and while my hair was wet, I applied a small amount of the butter to my wet strands of hair, and then I left it on all night. The next day, I went ahead and just washed and styled it as normal. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.